All right, here we go. New day, same clothes, no hat. I got a haircut at noon. Mo's finishing up the hot water on the copper. I'm going to do a cozy collar on the roof to piss all you people off. And we're gonna see what we can finish before my haircut today. Let's go. I gotta run to the store and get a 4-inch 16th for the vent through the roof. So I'm gonna cut some outside faucets in so Mo can pipe them. Let's go. It's a lot easier with two hands. It says it could be used on metal roofs, so we'll see. Should you drop?
That might be this though.
Oh yeah, so you want to close this and then watch the gauge. We got Mo testing the copper. Let's see how it goes. It was from today?
Yeah.
One leak, and it's from this morning. It wasn't even during his struggles. Not too shabby. We're going for it. Let's fill her up, baby. Milwaukee should really change the end of that from a twist to a regular bike pump with a flip, because the twist sucks. You listening, Milwaukee? Or any of the brand boys out there? Can you guys relay that to Milwaukee? Thanks. All right, we're gonna leave it filled till Thursday. It's gonna stop being 15 degrees on Thursday, so today it feels like 80. I wanted to get the water in there, check for leaks, called for an inspection. It's New Year's Eve. We'll try again Thursday. Let's get to the haircut.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go. Plumbing inspector said he could meet me today at 2 o'clock, so we just got this taken care of. Now let's enjoy New Year's.